Hi, welcome to the North Phoenix Suburban Stead. My name is Rich. This is part 5 of Fixing a Dirt Bike series. We obtained the 2005 Honda CRF 250X from our good friends at the Flight Springs Ranch. In this video, we ride in the desert with our neighbor Alex, we wipe out and then break the front brake handle, we construct our own shock saver, and modify the kickstand. Thanks for watching. So after all of that effort of releasing the locked up caliper, putting the new brake line on, getting a new master cylinder with the handle, my first real ride today, and check it out, I broke the freaking handle. One little slip up, one slide out, and the thing broke right off. Oh man, what a cheap piece of shit. This was $15, by the way, for this new master cylinder. Everything's working just fine, but I'm gonna replace the handle. Make a decision on it. Oh, yes. Perfect. This concludes part 5 of fixing a dirt bike. If you like this video in the series, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Also, check out the dirt bike playlist for lots more videos, including some pretty funny stuff, and also including removing and installing a carburetor, the things they don't tell you. See you soon.